So now USA is finally interested in getting involved in the Iran-Israel war, and Trump has said that he has given Iran 2 weeks time because he is now deciding whether he should get involved or not. Now basically, if USA decides to get involved in the war, then it would mean that they have to stay in the war for a long period of time. When USA has to be in the war for a long period of time, it clearly means that they have to stay after the war also. And we have seen in past what happens when USA stays in Afghanistan after the war, investing heavily in military, investing heavily in each and every equipment, in money, and after they leave, it results in their failure. As Taliban captures Afghanistan again, which is basically a failure. Now it's been 7 days since Israel and Iran have started their war, and Israel has done so much damage to the Iran's economy and Iran's building infrastructure that nearly 700 people have died. And Iran is also not staying quiet at all, because Iran is trying their best to attack Israel, and with the supersonic ballistic missiles, they are penetrating the Iron Dome. Recently, Iran's supersonic ballistic missiles basically hit a innocent hospital, which caused massive destruction and which result in a lot of casualties. A lot of people were injured. If we talk about the Iron Dome was such a popular defense system wherein there was literally 1% chance that a missile could pass through Iron Dome. Now in the war of Iran and Israel, we could clearly see that Iron Dome is getting penetrated and destroyed completely. First, the success rate of Iron Dome was 98%, and as the technology improved, the success rate of Iron Dome started to get lower, 90%, and now it is at 50, 60 or 65%, which is a shame for the Israeli military defense, IDF. Although USA has said that it will get involved, but it is just a verbal agreement. Their support is right now verbally and not physically. Physical involvement either means that USA is sending them missiles or USA is sending them soldiers. But in the modern ballistic warfare, there is no need for a lot of soldiers. Although there is a need of soldiers to handle aircrafts and drones, but not foot soldiers who can just penetrate in the Iran's territory and capture them. No, there is no need for that. Drones can do it very easily. And sources confirm that Israel has lost 1/3 of the total weaponry and total missiles. And some sources say that Israel only have 10 days of stock left to defend themselves and to attack themselves, which means that USA will get involved in next 14 days, next 14 to 10 days. If USA gets involved, then USA, NATO and OPEC will get involved, which will result in Germany and UK also getting involved. On the other side, if someone has to save Iran, it has to be China or Russia. Now China and Russia have given their verbal agreements because they know that once they enter into the war, it would escalate very quickly into a world war, and everyone is more interested in their personal interests rather than thinking about other friend nations. Considering the fact that China is more interested in their economic development rather than helping Iran, although they are helping Iran, but if we look into a way how, the simple way is by sending them money, because if they send military, it means direct involvement, and China doesn't want to get involved. Since Iran has attacked the hospital of Israel, now Israel won't stop and will do each and everything to just destroy Khaleemi. They will do each and every step, which also means that destroying all the nuclear sites and the military ports. The reality is that if USA gets involved, it would be a game over for Iran, as Iran doesn't have the firepower to defend against a country like USA. Only a physical intervention of another superpower like China or Russia could basically save them. Currently, Khamenei is basically hiding in a bunker, given full control to Irani military officials to do whatever they wish, however they wish. It would be interesting to see how USA responds to this whole situation, and we have 2 weeks time to see if there is a ceasefire in Iran or Israel wins and gets a complete domination and just changes the regime, or there is an interference of United States of America.